Hello, readers. Welcome to reading class for today. We are going to find out what happened with Carla and Edna on the lifeboat. All right, before we start, let's see. Do we have our textbook? Got my textbook here. Do we have a bookmark or a finger to track and follow along? Do we have our workbook? Check. And a pencil? Check. All right, we're going to remember to track with our finger. We're going to read each word carefully. And we're going to pay attention to end marks when we're reading. Some of our goals we're going to read with accuracy and expression. We're going to understand what's happening in the story, make connections to characters' feelings. So at the end of the last story, we were thinking, oh my goodness, I would be so scared if I was in a lifeboat and it dropped just like a high-speed elevator. All right, and we're going to enjoy this story. So we will try to keep in mind that reading is thinking. There's all kinds of things that are happening in our brains as we are reading. We're making connections to characters and events that have happened. Maybe you've been on a boat before and you could make that connection. We are visualizing, kind of painting a picture in our mind of what's happening, sort of like a movie in our minds. We're asking questions. We're summarizing. We're thinking about, let's see, what happened the last time? Oh yeah, the two girls were in the lifeboat playing around, pretending that they were the captain and the first mate, and then we're predicting, we're inferring, we're kind of figuring things out. We're synthesizing, we're allowing our thinking and our ideas to change and grow. So many things happening in there. Thank you, brain. All right. So we have a few vocabulary sentences to review. She actually repeated that careless mistake. I believe she did that. All right. We have the smell attracted flies immediately. Whew, something must have been stinky. Flies love stinky things. And the last sentence we learned is the rim of the volcano exploded. Oh dear. All right, so let's get started. Our words on lesson 27. We have 2 columns of words for lesson 27, and we are on page 134. If you do not have your textbook, please pause the video and get your textbook. 134. All right. Let's take a look at column 1. Please follow with your finger or a bookmark. Let's see. Word 1 is thunder. What word? Word 2 is shallow. What word? Word 4 is blinding. What word? It's so bright, it's blinding. Sometimes when you wake up in the morning and then you have to turn on the light, oh, it's blinding. Word 4 is somehow. What word? And word 5 is lightning. What word? Nice job. Let's try the fast way. Thunder. Shallow. Blinding. Somehow. Lightning. Nice job. And column 2. Word 1 is moaned. What word? Yeah, a moan is a sound that people make when they are in pain. Can you give me a moan? Yeah, you're like, oh. All right. Word 2 is funnel shaped. What word? Things that are funnel shaped are shaped like a funnel. And a funnel is a round tube that is wide on one end and narrow at the other. So it kind of looks like this. It's wide at the top and it's narrow. And there's a picture of a funnel in our books right here. This is a funnel. Actually, I just used a funnel the other day because I was transferring some liquid from like a bottle that had like a larger top, and I wanted to put it into a smaller container, and I used a little funnel to get the liquid to go from one container to another without making a big mess. Funnel. Alrighty, so that was word 2, funnel shaped. Word 3 is stumbled. What word? And stumbled is another word for tripped. Like, oops, she stumbled over the rock. She tumbled or tripped on the rock. Word 4 is allowed. What word? And word 5 is tearing. What word? Let's try the fast way. Moaned. Funnel-shaped. Stumbled. Allowed. Tearing. Nice job. All right, let's go ahead and turn or look at part B, facts about whirlpools. Oops. Let's try that again.